signed up yet, you can find my links down in the description below. But yeah, it is easier than ever to get started investing, and you should start even if it's just $5 a month. First of all, you're gonna build the habit of investing because investing is a habit. You're also more likely to make a mistake, of course, when you first start. So you wanna make those mistakes when you're not investing that much money and not later on when you have much more. Plus, you can only learn so much from watching content. Eventually, you actually have to jump in and start investing yourself. Think about it like riding a bicycle. You can watch videos on how to ride a bike, you could read books about it, you could even hire an expert, but eventually you're just gonna have to jump on the bicycle and try to ride it. There's really only so much you can learn without actually trying to ride it yourself. And the same thing goes for investing. And just from a human perspective, the fact that you could potentially get incredible returns from something like cryptocurrency at a young age where you don't have that much money makes it pretty enticing. And later on, you might decide to invest your money into a lot less riskier things like stocks or maybe index funds, and that's great. But the fact that you started at a young age is what matters.